Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to earn in Canva. To do that, you can offer your thumbnail design services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Just create a profile showcasing your Canva design skills and offer to create custom thumbnails for YouTubers, bloggers, and other content creators. If you have a YouTube channel or plan to start one, you can create engaging and eye-catching thumbnails using Canva. As your channel grows, you can monetize through your YouTube Partners program. You can also create a affiliate marketing content where you can promote products or services using Canva design thumbnails. When people make purchases through your affiliate links, you earn a commission. Canva offers design templates for various print-on-demand products such as t-shirts, mugs, and posters. You can create custom designs including thumbnail styles, images, and sell them on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. You can also create customizable thumbnail templates on Canva and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Many content creators and marketers are looking for easy to edit templates for their thumbnail. And if you have expertise in creating captivating thumbnail, consider creating and selling online courses or tutorial on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can also create your content, such as a blog or YouTube channel, around graphic design and Canva tutorials. Monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. You can also offer social media management services to businesses and use Canva to create engaging social media posts and thumbnails for their content. Expand your design services beyond thumbnails and offer branding and logo design services to businesses and individuals. And that's how to earn in Canva. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.